So I'm Debbie. I am lead on the Fashiontech vertical along with Dan Knight.
So I'm Dan, so I have a background in software engineering, so worked in development years ago, and I lead the Fashiontech vertical. A lot of our clients sell clothing, so we build websites and mobile apps for them. So the web experiences or mobile app experiences are often built by a team that can involve anything from the look and feel of the website, design.
We work with a number of different clients, and it's really trying to support those clients be the best that they can be, whether that is for their online experience, whether it's in their store experience, and we work with a mixture of clients. Some have both, some are just online, and it really is for us to support them to be the best that they can be. It works by us really understanding what our clients need, what problems can we help with.
Fashion, although it's e-commerce, so broadly a lot of the same things apply. There are some nuances to fashion. The brands that we work with are often quite prestigious, and therefore they care a lot about the design, the look and feel of the website. Having a very, very high standard on our front-end engineering, for example, is something that's particularly important in Fashiontech.
I think particularly within retail, our clients need to move very, very quickly, make decisions quickly, change quickly, do different things, try new things. And sometimes their technologies that they've already got don't necessarily allow them to do that. And there can be quite cost implications on making some of those changes. And I think that's probably what's quite challenging for a lot of them.
There's been an economic downturn recently, and actually a lot of the businesses we work with are very sensitive to that, and therefore trying to deliver stuff in a cost-effective way is really important.
So how can they create the change that they need for customers without investing lots of money in technology? And we're always trying to find that balance. I think MINDERA is very good at what it does, but I also think it works in a way that is just very open and will really try and find creative, maybe bonkers sometimes, but different ways to help clients.
Of all the tech companies you can work with, MINDERA is probably one of the easiest to work with. We tend to turn up as people and work with other people and have pretty straightforward conversations. There's not lots of complexity in how we talk about how we work. Depends which client. Some might say are a bit crazy. No, I think probably similar to what I was mentioning, which is we're probably quite easy to work with. We have good engineers who are down to earth, low ego.
One particular client comes to mind when answering that question, and I think they would say, well, I know that they would say we're very reliable, so we do what we say we're going to do, but quite often we do more than we say we're going to do, and that really does help clients move forward. So we do have a lot of engineering capability that work across many of our clients, whether that's websites, whether it's mobile apps, but it's also supporting all of the systems for many of our clients, from when a customer places an order to when that order is delivered through the post to them.
We are particularly strong in front-end development, particularly strong in mobile apps, so do quite a lot of work in the mobile app space, mobile e-commerce, but we touch everything from design to security as well. So
I guess we cover anything that any client could want from a technology perspective. When Dan ran the first event that we had last November, and I think that event, which was very much focused on why is 2023 being so difficult and what can people expect in 2024. And I think it was great because it was the first time that we had a number of our clients together in the same room, and it really struck us that all of our clients have got same challenges to deal with, and what we really want to do is to bring our clients together to help them solve the challenges, whether we help them, whether they help themselves, whether they help each other. That's what it's all about for us.
MINDERA as a company, it generally lets people try things out and get on with stuff. So if we say, hey, we want to run an event, we want to invite some of our existing clients, we want to invite some people who are interesting, we want to have some beers in the office and some good food, this is what we're going to do, we just go for it. And I think that's quite nice. So people do have the freedom to have an idea, run with it, try it out. When I tell people what I do, I tend to say I work in tech, and we help retailers basically run their e-commerce sites, build, run, update, maintain e-commerce experiences. I think everyone kind of knows that we all shop online, and therefore
I would say really it's like just being part of an extended family that is helping everyone be the best that they can be. That's how I describe it.
Thank you.